Okay, so last video I said that I would go over doing more specific textures. So we're gonna do that. This is the clean drone, and this is the drone with wear and tear. First thing we're gonna do is go into UV editing, hit the A key to select the whole mesh. Click the right key, go to UV unwrap faces, and select Smart UV Project. Area weight is gonna be 0.020. Now we're gonna go into shading and do some node editing. Hit Shift D to duplicate this texture, hit Shift A, then S, and get the mix shader. First one is going into the second is going into the first. Confusing, I know, but that's nodes for you. We'll bring the FAC all the way up. Now the second principled metallic will go all the way up. Then Shift A, S again, and choose the image texture. Plug the color into FAC, hit New. 1024 times 4 is 4096 for the width and the height. And we're gonna make that color white. When you look at these textures, it looks like it's kind of like this weird family tree, and it can be a little bit intimidating. After a while, with repetition, things will eventually make sense for you. We're gonna bring the white down to black in the color picker, make the radius 6, and we're gonna go along the edges of the drone and paint around. Just letting you know, this can be a tedious process, but it will look cool in the end. Shift and click the image texture, mix shader, and second principled texture by hitting Control C. Then go into the dark blue texture, hit Control V to bring those nodes in, and we'll repeat the same process we did with the white texture. Do it again with the baby blue. We'll go along the edges again, and we're on our way to making an aged drone. We'll make sure to throw in some random scratches too. You can go in the texture mask, select clouds, distorted noise, and blah blah blah, and add imperfections around the edges. And then add some subtle scratches on the drone for the screen of the drone. Make it glossy with the roughness being 0.118, select a Musgrave texture. And now you're asking yourself, why does the screen look like it's just a bunch of crumpled plastic? Well, that's because we didn't adjust the settings yet. The scale being 0.2, detail 2.7, dimension 2.2, linearity 1.9, Shift AS Voronoi texture with the scale being 2.6 and roughness to 1. Now you got a drone with a bunch of imperfections on it, and the next drone video will go over basic rigging. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Boom! It's always nice having a second camera angle. I love this. This is just great. You're like the main dude, but you serve your purpose, so I'm able to get that more. What am I saying?